character, and service. Qualities that stand tall like the pillars of an institution that fosters humanity. This is Bicol University. Established in the heart of the Bicol region, Bicol University stands tall as the premier state university in the area. Established on June 21, 1969 through the Republic Act 5521, BU has grown to embody its core values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Guided by these principles, the university has achieved SUC Level 4 status, a testament to its unwavering commitment to excellence. With 21 academic units spread across multiple campuses, including East, Main, Daraga, Ginobatan, Tabaco, Pulangi, and Gubat, BU offers a wide array of programs that cater to diverse fields of study.
Among these academic units is a college that thrives at the intersection of creativity, culture, and communication, the College of Arts and Letters. Located in the main campus, the College of Arts and Letters is a vibrant hub where students are empowered to explore the power of language, media, literature, and the arts. It's a place where stories come alive, voices are amplified, and cultural identity is both celebrated and redefined. As we dive deeper, let's take a closer look at how the College of Arts and Letters continues to shape thinkers, writers, artists, and communicators, molding them into leaders who inspire change and reflect the spirit of Bicol University.
Within Bicol University lies one of its most outstanding colleges, a hub of intelligent, brave, and talented individuals. This is the College of Arts and Letters, home of matatalino, matatapang, talentada, at magaling talino. CAL offers diverse academic programs that hone essential skills in broadcasting, communication, and the creative arts, bridging the gap in the region's media and communication industry.
With a strong mission to nurture critical and creative thinkers, the college has made lasting contributions to Bicol's cultural and intellectual landscape.
Under the leadership of Dr. ADADHIE Aguilar, CAL continues to evolve and empower its students. Broadcasting, English language, journalism, performing arts, literature, and communication, these are the core departments under CAL. Each department molds students into well-rounded, socially aware, and globally competitive individuals.
The Communication Department hones students' interpersonal, organizational, and digital communication skills. It prepares future professionals in public relations, advertising, journalism, corporate communication, and more. Emphasis is placed on critical thinking, media literacy, and versatility across communication fields.
Pero teka lang, worth it nga ba maging isang conqueror? To be forthright, reliable, and excellent, that's what being a conqueror is all about. Your creativity and passion have a place here, from film production to public relations, business communication to academic research. Your voice matters. Movie lover? Mahilig ka ba sa photography? Gusto mo ba magsulat? Mag-host o mag-edit? The Communication Department welcomes your passion and talent, giving you the platform where creativity meets purpose.
Becoming a communication student under this institution means embracing challenges, pushing boundaries, and telling stories that matter. We are trained to inform, inspire, and ignite change through the power of communication. Because here in BA Communication, we turn your passion into profession.
This is who we are.
This is what we do.
We are the voice. We are the future.
We are Conquerors!